Actually, you didn't have any of the entry.
Venturing?
This is all of it.
Give something to Linda. Give some of that to Linda.
Linda, what do you want? Venturing.
That stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
Here you go.
You're getting a big one.
You got it.
Yeah, let me give you a list too. That way you can write it down. It's a little easier.
Yeah, but you can't tell the players on the scorecard. It's pricey.
Got it. Bouncy, what I would do is take all of them out and then as you film, put them back in.
Yeah, you can write that off.
Yeah.
Black onyx.
I just saw it.
Happens to be one of December's first times. December is the month with the most first times.
Oh, really? And
This is all
Black onyx is this here?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
All this right here. Yes, ma'am. Black onyx, December's first time.
Black onyx, you got a bag of black
Anything
onyx?
on that list, we're just now trying to see if you
Did you seal it?
I did.
Your July first, it's a perfect crystal structure for that is a hexagonal tree. And let's take a look and see if yours has.
I had a, yeah, he's got, I got a bigger one now. But I think, another one.
I can't. Shoot.
That
It's yours.
That might be a star one.
I'll back the car up.
I know, for what?
That's a star ruby.
Who's got it?
No, no, just the example.
Oh.
Can I borrow your triangle one for a minute so I can show them? Because I showed y'all the other day. The triangle on it.
Be careful,
If you
Dave. She'll
notice, it
steal
looks like
it.
it has a whole bunch of triangles are stacked on top of each other there. If you look at me, move around, you see the angle. That very small triangle that gets center there, that's the very beginning of the ruby.
Okay.
And what happens over time is
That's a
that...
star ruby?
No, no one found a star today.
That's a regular ruby.
That has a small triangle. Over time, it gets larger and bigger, and it starts getting thicker. It starts stacking and staggering. Over time, it goes to make a circle instead of forming a round shape. It forms that hexagonal shape. And I was telling them the past few times they were here, if you slice it in half, you can share. How old it is. But the rubies, sapphires, and emeralds, you have to go to the center of those spots to get the best quality.
I'll get it.
It's always going to be lighter on the
I'll get it,
outside.
I've got it, Cute. Because she's got several plus the one in the
You can
back.
get 4 stones easily out of that one, and of course a matching pair of that one, biggest and best stones.
What?
Rubies.
July.
I gave
You
you
got one? Yes,
No,
ma'am.
well, I didn't. I was given to you.
Oh,
Yeah,
sharing.
what could you cut out?
Sharing.
Thank you.
That's where you have to get a matching pair if you want to do like a pair of studs or a drop dangle earring. So your ears and ears.
Yes, they are.
Okay.
They just don't have any earrings.
Or you can do a biggest and best for like a ring or a pendant out of that easily.
Because Susan,
Oh God, yeah.
that's beautiful.
Right there. July. Oh,
And I
that's
could
the
do
best.
probably a couple stones
Oh
out
my
of
God,
that.
you probably can get probably 5 to 6
Yeah.
easily out of that big piece there.
But what size, Dan?
It really depends on how many you get out of there. I would say
That'd be about $10,000 worth of cutting.
All right. We hit the mother load.
I'd say if you were to get maybe 3 stones out of there, you'll probably get something roughly between these two sizes
Okay.
here easily.
Have
So
Sean
the
pass
more
it.
you get, they'd be a
Right.
little bit smaller, but they'd be big enough for like stud earrings or something
Right,
like that.
right. Are they both faceted? Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna be faceted. I mean, you could do a cabochon. It's just a matter of preference. For
Yeah.
That's actually
But you have that other.
sapphire. And star sapphires,
We
we
have
have
that, yeah.
black, and we really don't know the color until we
What store
start
again?
cutting them.
I think
You
the
see
star
bottom one, the
sapphire
light
should
gets
be
in,
the
it's
cabochon.
black, pulsing white.
But the ruby, I didn't get the star ruby. She got star,
Right
they
here.
has to be faceted.
As close to a
They'll
round
tell
shape
you.
as possible, and then we'll round
Honey,
it.
you have that.
A regular sapphire will be more like slate.
That's right. You gotta give me the
But what did
sapphire.
she say she wanted if we found it? What did she,
But this here is just going to be a regular blue one. There's just stars. And
if you get a large star sapphire and there was
right
room
here?
for me to
the whole,
get a
yeah, the whole
cut,
thing. It just has a
count
little
me
bit
in.
of a tail almost,
but
but this
now,
be your
hold
best
it.
part.
But there is not. That's a
We
star.
got a star sapphire.
Right.
And we've already promised her.
They got
to
a
cut
huge one
Right.
too. They
You
found
got
the other
one?
day.
Dude, yeah.
this. So we're all set, right?
That is a September version.
Well, maybe if there's 3 cuts out of
There's your
that.
star at the bottom.
Then I was sapphire.
These are, these are the sapphires, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See how many
Regular sapphires, right?
No,
Yeah.
you,
How will we
actually,
know that?
So if I
Same
wanted
as
to-
That one's a regular one. That's a star one. That one's got more rounded,
Right.
not so
And
flat.
that's star, put that in the star bag, sapphire.
That's your bigger, better one, but that's still nice.
Right.
What kind of sapphire, or is it just a regular sapphire?
This I pulled out the other day.
Yeah.
It's actually, it's pretty much a ruby, except for it didn't turn pink, it turned blue.
Oh,
That's why
really?
you can see the perfect star or the triangle on there too, and that's why it's the hexagonal shape. It's
So
like the
does that go in
rubies.
the ruby bag? Or
It's technically a sapphire. And remember, rubies and sapphires are the exact same thing. Usually, the more hexagonal ones turn into rubies. This one just didn't know what it was and turned blue.
Okay.
That's like I said, we've gone mining before, and I've seen rubies with sapphire thrown outside of them.
Wow.
There we are there. It is drying out. So we always recommend when you get home, re-wet your stuff because it'll be this dark again, and this is part where it's
Did you
dried
have
out.
an emerald
But
one
you
you
can
shared?
pre-wet
No,
it.
I don't have any of
And
those.
who has that? Did Kathy turn it in to be cut?
Because you're going to
I
get
think
some
it's eye out for your
Oh, okay.
black bush rock, but
Thinking, yeah.
Yes.
But not on my order. On Kathy's
on
order.
her order.
you see how green it is. And that whole center will be
Kathy's
top
order
full.
because.
So we get something.
No, I didn't get one. Only
You'll
one
get
you
something
gave.
like bigger than that because if it goes consistently all the way through the center.
Because they, Kathy ordered, I didn't
And
get
this
it.
here is roughly 1 carat.
Yeah.
This one here's
And then I had one the very first time.
Now,
I think I turned it
what's
in.
the flower?
So these two?
well, the darker it is, the better it is. And like I said, the emeralds, rubies, and sapphires, those we have to go to the center of it. We really wouldn't know until we start cutting it down.
Yeah.
So it's going to be lighter on the
Oh, yeah.
outside,
I did get emerald.
And then ask him, if you're gonna get that cut, ask him which is the best.
which is the better one.
Yeah.
Right now. I don't see too much green on that one. I'm gonna say probably this one.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, this would be
Show dye, please.
Oh, that's
yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah.
That's how you can see them.
And that's,
amazing.
they look like they're just in black rocks.
They do.
So Danny, which is the best here? That one?
Right there. Yeah.
No light on that one. Nice crystals there too.
Oh, you can see the green.
Yeah, that's really beautiful.
Look how dark
Yeah.
it is. You can see how dark it is from here. This would be your
Yeah.
better one.
Better one right there.
Yeah, I mean, it goes completely all the way within there.
So that's
Okay.
a lot of.
I'd get several out of that. I'd probably go for at least 3 stones. If you want to do like a matching pair of earrings and a ring, or a matching pair of
Or
earrings
what
and
about
a
a
pendant.
big stone here and then several small
You can
ones?
do bracelets, but just remember, most bracelets have to have at least 7 links, and you got to pay for each link as well. And they could have a stone in them, or you could
Okay.
just do an extender link. But yeah,
Okay.
we could definitely do that
Okay.
too. That would be
Okay.
a better one. Appetite. Appetite is APATIT.
Got it.
This is supposed to make you less hungry. Contains the same minerals as our bones and our teeth.
God damn, I'm sorry.
That's really pretty.
And it can be cabochoned or faceted.
Oh, I'm watching appetite. I'm watching my appetite.
Appetite.
Pretty. It's supposed to decrease your appetite.
And just to keep
I
in
love
mind,
the color of that.
it does tend to be a little bit more
That's
durable
really
as a
pretty.
cabochon, but it's really a matter.
I like that a lot. That's great. Pretty good.
Tourmaline.
Hint, hint, dye.
It actually looks like
Hint,
black
hint.
gold, but it's
She
just
likes that color. Hint, hint.
Oh,
the thinner you cut it, the lighter
it's
the
my
green
licorice
it
right
is.
here.
Isn't an appetite down the bottom of the list?
Yeah, but it's so pretty.
That
It
is
is
pretty good. You can get several bar cuts out of it.
This
or
is it. Reminds me of
What's the
licorice.
reason? Mixed up here. What's the reason?
I have no idea.
How much?
This is actually one of those
saying-
things we actually get on.
That goes by length of.
No, this, the most expensive
Yeah,
and cheapest.
To the cheapest.
So cheap.
See, like the other day, I think I
Barely
had
get a light.
one of the cheapest ones.
Usually if it's fractured, it'll be
Oh, no,
bright
Kathy
green.
did.
But this year is
I'm gonna tell you what it
That's supposed to be good for arthritis. Though.
Yeah, tiger eye. See, I had tiger eye. That's tourmaline.
big piece, and that's your green tourmaline as well. It's just dense.
We did, look at it.
See how black it actually looks. The
Yeah.
thinner you cut it, the lighter
This
it'll be.
gets green. I
saw
forgot.
you.
Yeah, the thinner you
Black?
cut it, usually the lighter it is. It's
Okay.
just so dense it looks black.
That's beautiful.
Green tourmaline.
Very nice.
Okay. Trying to get my money's worth here.
Where is this?
Yeah.
Like Chile.
I only hit a few.
Now you got a
I
lot of those.
know.
Herida.
I got a question.
Yes.
Could you take that and make a bracelet? And there again, you have to pay
Yeah,
for
you
lengths.
could, but you
know,
have to
with
use
smaller pieces.
one stone, one link, another link, another
Okay.
link, another one. I just go for the bigger ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe go cut for a ring would be better, or a pendant.
Yeah, I would do a ring, pendant, or earrings. But I mean, you could do a bracelet. But maybe if you did like several different birthstones, family members. We do a lot of grandmothers and mothers. Rings, bracelets. We can do however you want, or pendants.
But a bracelet, you've got, so many. And the grandkids, that'd be the grandkids.
We always recommend just Google imaging these names when you get home, and it'll show you a rough and cut version of every stone.
Wow.
You have the opal.
Opal.
Opals are very delicate, so we really don't see too many big ones coming through.
We need a bag for that.
You can see the color.
Suze, you want an opal?
She's got one.
Well, okay.
If you don't mind.
No, it's not
That's
mine.
my birthstone. That's my
I
birthstone.
wasn't giving you this one.
No.
You get 2 kids.
Well, we
It's
gotta,
my birthstone.
No, we have 2 kids in October.
Birthdays. Isn't that pretty?
Birthdays. That's beautiful.
and those will become that then?
Well, they'll be a little bigger,
Yeah.
but yes.
No, I know, but they'll have those
Shiny
sparkles in
and-
it?
Yeah, it does.
The
It
one
does.
he showed me the other day, the flat one I had that was
You could definitely see.
like you could, when you turned it upside down, you could see the blues and the
Oh, you
pinks
could?
and
Just certain angles, and when you reread them, you could definitely, it'll sparkle a lot more. As they start drying out.
Shine one on that.
So smooth.
Shine one on that bad boy.
See it right there?
A little bit of orange in there.
Uh-huh.
That's good.
When the sun hits it, you get all kinds of
It just
different
depends.
colors.
And when
Yeah.
it's wet
Yeah.
again, you go see the color.
Yeah.
Stones for
Yeah.
rings, because if you talk with your
Right.
hands,
Yep.
if you got any Irish in you,
Yep. They're
or
gonna crack.
Italian,
German.
it'll chip easily if you whack it, or the stone will go
Sure.
flying. That's
Yeah.
one of the #1 stones that we replace around here.
Really?
Opals. Yeah. Yeah.
But don't you have to like,
Yep.
keep your oil them?
You can.
Yeah.
When you polish them, most of them will keep that sheen to them.
Careful cleaning them
And
too,
make sure
right?
you never use bleach if you do anything gold. Never use bleach
Right.
gold because it makes it brittle.
Yeah.
Brittle.
None of your jewelry cleaners.
Natural banded.
That's
Natural
what you
banded
got. You
agate.
got me two beautiful opals.
This looks a lot like the grain of wood. Let's get it. The line and roll with the stone.
Oh, you got it,
Yeah.
but you never go out.
You see a lot better with the ones that have the lines.
But I
That's
do
a
wear
lot
them.
darker. You
I
have a
love,
lot
and
more
then I
darker
had
brown going
one
through it.
made for, or two made for Bridget. He got me
It's a nice piece. It'd be a little bit smaller than this one, but you can. I mean, it don't take much to make a cabochon out of those.
That's pretty.
That's the
That's a
natural
tiger.
banded one. That's the one you can see all the little lines going through it.
That's what I'm gonna
I
have
think I
made
had one
for
of those.
Rebecca.
That was my free cut, I think, on the other day.
What?
I have one of
Did you
those
do that?
made. That was one of my first free cuts.
That's a
What?
natural.
Aventurine?
No,
Tiger.
That's what I do is my, not
Are those on Tiger?
free cut.
and Kathy and I did it wrong because we
These
went
are
for
agate.
the cheapest stone. Here's the
And
hematite.
we
We should have
have
gone.
garnets. Garnets are naturally usually a perfect dodecahedron 12 sides.
No, I don't. I have
Uh,
one.
They contain iron, which is rather rusty. That's also how they
Where
get
does
the
Susan
red
get
color.
one?
And those are the ones they used to use as musket balls
get
in the
one?
Civil War.
No.
Give her a musket ball. Give her a musket ball. Give her to Susan.
Garnet, January birthstone.
That's a garnet too, Jim?
That's a huge one.
That's all.
That's all garnet.
So we gave the right one to Linda? I mean to Susan? Beautiful.
So I can have
I always say something's better than nothing.
I'm gonna try and persuade my wife to do it in Rockville Lake because
Rather than
No,
making
I
the big
can't
one, you get the smaller one.
I know that.
I said something's better than nothing. Turquoise.
Linda, Linda, how many you haven't cut?
Turquoise.
Stones.
I'm gonna have one.
Just
Turquoise.
one? You're all right, Billy.
And that's big enough to get
You might.
as many stones pretty much as you want out of that one, I would say.
Nice.
Turquoise.
I'm getting two
That's a
cups
pretty
out of
tall
one.
Nice.
There we are.
Good.
That's another December birthstone, and that is mainly found out west in our deserts.
Right.
December's got a lot of birthstones.
Not here.
Who does?
December has a lot of birthstones.
Nope, none there.
I have turquoise.
You had a rutilated quartz. That's the one that has the titanium dioxide. It looks like gold fibers forming within it, which is called root stick, and it does form within quartz. They call it rutilated.
We have to make
And then tourmaline is the one that has, looks like you were asking about the structure of it. That is the green one. That's actually what that dark color is.
I ain't gonna ask you.
The one that had that here.
Might be that $8,000 ruby we're looking for.
I have a
That's
that
pretty.
Billy made my
Is
mother.
Is that
Yellow
a
painting.
semi-precious?
That was her birthstone, and it's surrounded with sapphire.
Here we go.
Isn't that pretty?
The lines.
It is. It's like little gold fibers, and that's a form of titanium dioxide going through that.
I have to ask him what this
And
is.
you were the only one that found one today.
What?
Y'all found several the last time y'all were here.
What?